කුඩා දරුවන්ගේ තොණි විශාල සංඛ්‍යාවක් සහභාගී වන අද දිනේදී කුඩා
number 30 Himasha Padukka number 19 Group J with about 13 to 14 junior riders lined up at the start gate and they go.
මෙයාරබෝනේ වයසවරු 10 15 කුඩා දරුවන්ගේ තරගිසව්වයි. දවසේ දාවන තරගිසව්ව. තරගකරුවන් විශාල ප්‍රමාණයක් සහභාගී වන අද දිනේදී වෙනදාට අපේ තරගකරුවන්ට වට දෙකක අවස්ථාවක් ලැබෙන්නේ අද දිනේදී වට තුනක් තරග වැඩි යුතුයි. කුඩා යතුපරිදාවගේ කණ්ඩායමේ තරගකරුවෙක් ඉදිරියට ගොස් තිබෙනවා මීටර කිහිපයක්. දෙවැන්න තුන්වැන්න තරගකරුවන් කීප පොලක්ම ඉදිරියෙන් තරග ආරාධ්‍ය විද Himasha Padukka තමයි මේ වෙලේට තරගයේ ඉදිරියට වාගෙන දිවෙන්නේ. Himasha Padukka මේ අංක 30 තරග වටින දායකයා. Himasha Padukka තරගයේ පරපෙන්නා ලෙස දෙවෙන්න තුන්වෙන්න සහ හතරවෙන්න
junior riders going through the bunny hops and I think they must be really enjoying it. They did have practices from the 12th of this month. It's Himasha Padukka in the lead with Himasha Padukka and Shakib Ahmed in third place. It's good for the junior riders to come and take part in events of this nature and a massive crowd. And this is the beginning of their training before getting into MX bigger events. This is where they should start, and you could see the other riders taking part in the under 15 and 12 events doing pretty well, starting off at these ages, going through the money hops. You could see the skilled little kids. They are prepared to take the beating with their age. It's a 3-lap race, 2.1 kilometers per lap. Continuous about 6.3 kilometers in whole. First out of the 3-lap race. And the battle between the first and second. There two juniors are battling it. They know where they stand. They know what the podium. Shakib Ahmed from third place, moving up to second place with Himasha Padukka coming into third place. So Himasha Padukka, that's too bad for a junior rider. Unfortunate for the rider, one of the two junior riders fallen off, and we could see another rider doing pretty well. Sandro Himasha leading the race. Unfortunate though for Himasha Padukka. Doing pretty well in the first 2 laps. It's Sandro Himasha. Then we have into the final 2 meters before they get the checkered flag. Will they be changing places? Everybody knows. Yeah, into the edge and they take the checkered flag. It's Sandro Himasha, but we have to wait for the official results. officials at the finish line. Official results will be disclosed. Checkered flag marshal in action. Checkered flag to all the junior riders who are crossing him.
Included the youngest riders in the event, Group JMX 50cc over 5 years up to 10 years, the 3-lap race. All will be presented with participation prizes. Brigadiers Sisira Pirapitia, Deepal Pusella and Nishant Mange, 3 brigadiers involved. They are being accompanied by Janak Sandun, manager of Dania Catering Services and Suppliers, ushered by Major Krishant Jayaratna. Participation included Kumal Mayadunna, Ahil Sheed, Shakib Ahmad,